Okay, if that did something for you, you're gonna love this. I've always loved Digimon, Pokemon, Tamagotchis, V-Pets, pretty much anything that involves monster hunting, collecting, or battling and the like. But I recently got a powerful dose of nostalgia when revisiting Digimon World 1, and wow, it's a masterpiece. So I took inspiration from this and I decided to turn my Samsung Galaxy Watch into a Digivice. I modeled this thing in Maya and tried to make it as accurate as possible. Though I did have some trouble with the buttons, it's not something I have a lot of experience with, so I created a simple lever mechanism. And I added a tab on the sides so that the buttons don't just fall out. Which didn't work. It's especially difficult because the buttons are on the side of the Galaxy Watch, so you have to redirect the downward force to go sideways. But overall, I'm really liking the first prototype. I sliced and printed this in Prusa Slicer and printed it out on my Prusa Mark III. It's getting a little bit old at this point, but still as reliable as ever. I really love the way that it turned out, and it snaps onto my watch nice and snug. The buttons sort of work, and I installed a Facer Digimon watch face to tie it all together. This has brought me down a rabbit hole of all sorts of crazy ideas, like programming my own Tamagotchi-like device. And I've even been looking into current modern day V-Pets, like the upcoming Monster Hunter version that is available for pre-order. So I'm going to circle back to this thing and make the buttons better, maybe try some material like a silicone or a resin, and try to make the buttons a bit more snug. And I'm also going to try to clean it up so I don't have the layer lines, maybe I can paint it, and maybe try a little bit more post-processing on that. Would love to hear all your thoughts about this stuff, and I'll see you in the next project.